91479 or scan the call now.
Yeah, welcome back. So we did have mostly cloudy skies throughout the day after some fog this morning. Unlike yesterday, it actually lifted pretty quickly, but we could not get rid of the clouds across the region. But even under the clouds, we had enough of a strong southerly flow to get temperatures up there with those highs near the 50-degree mark. A few peaks of clear skies around sunset, but now we've got more clouds on the way. High near 50, not only in North Platte, but also at Lexington. Lower 50s at Thedford and Broken Bow. Lower 60s out toward Valentine, and a 49 at Ogallala. We are about 8 degrees above where we should be this time of year. Here's a look at the temperatures across the region into the upper 30s at Ogallala and North Platte, near 40 at Broken Bow and Imperial, and 46 out toward Lexington. Let's take a look at the winds, mainly from a southerly or easterly direction. Wind speeds right now between 10 and 20 miles per hour, so that wind is starting to pick up once again, especially up to the south and east of North Platte. There's your few clear skies. We made our way through the evening, but now we have an increase in the clouds and even some moisture developing into portions of northeastern Colorado. Some of those showers actually could hit our western counties as we go through time, but most of us will stay dry. We're still tracking these lows, trying to make their way over the Rockies. They'll give us the chance of some showers starting tomorrow evening. Other than that, high pressure is working its way away from us, and we had a brisk southerly wind today. That will strengthen as we go through the day tomorrow, becoming windy and getting temperatures into the lower 60s as we will continue to keep mainly cloudy skies. So here's a look at the skycast. There's the clouds through the overnight. Strong southerly wind. Could have a few peaks of sunshine in the morning and then an increase in the clouds later on in the afternoon. That strong southerly wind will get those highs in the low to mid 60s, and going through tomorrow evening, the possibility of some scattered showers lasting until later on in the evening. And then going through the overnight, maybe the Sandhills could pick up a few rain or snow showers. Most of that activity does stay north of I-80 for the morning on your Thursday. And then we get more of a northwesterly wind. High temperatures on Thursday, still not bad for this time of year, into the upper 40s, but we do have a couple of windy days ahead. We have that southerly wind tomorrow. The frontal boundary sparks off the showers. By the end of the work week, a little bit of a cool sector with this system. High pressure back in charge as we go through Friday, as most of us could have mostly sunny skies, and we warm up as we finish the weekend and start next week. Let's take a look at the outlook for later on in the week. We're going to put dry and mild as the snow will miss us off into the northern plains and some snow showers over the Rockies. That batch of rain is going to continue to move off to our east, so into the Midwest and then eventually the Great Lakes states. They'll get some rain from this one. And then as we make our way through the weekend, some of this cool air in the southwest will also make their way in. Here's a look at the drought map across the region. Just abnormally dry. We've done pretty well already in the month of February with that rain that we had over the weekend. The yellow is abnormally dry, just off to the south of Lincoln County, with one little area of moderate drought here, but it looks like we've had a good amount of moisture as we finished out January and started February. Here's a look at the temperature outlook for the third week of February. The warmest air working its way away from us could have some cooler than average days to round out the month. And it looks like the rain showers will follow the jet stream off to the north and off to the south. We actually have a little bit of a chance of being a little drier than average as we round out the month. So we'll keep our eyes on that one. Chance of some showers tomorrow evening through Thursday morning as we fall from the mid-60s to near 50, but windy over the next couple of days. Upper 40s on Friday, partly cloudy and mostly cloudy on Saturday at 42, 44 on Sunday, and then mostly sunny skies, a little warmer from Monday and Tuesday of next week, as well as those highs near 50. Kent?
I thought it was interesting yesterday, Justin, that you said really we've got more rain over the weekend than we get usually for the month of February. So
yeah, that's about 0.6 of an inch, so we're already good for the month.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. And the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is warning flu season is not over yet. Activity is starting to pick up again as respiratory virus levels remain high overall.